React is a popular UI library for JavaScript, free, open source, and developed by Meta, the company behind Facebook. It's also one of the most popular JavaScript libraries in the world. If you watched my last video, sort of a vlog on ChefMeat, you know that I'm switching from HTML and CSS because of technical difficulties, mostly with click events and me being relatively new to web development as a whole. React is more popular and capable, so I'm learning it to build an MVP for my app. In this video, I created a card component and we'll walk through the code. With that over with, let's jump in. I got bro codes for our React course on YouTube and cracked open Replit. This is my progress so far, so let's walk through this. This is our app.jsx file, our main file for this practice project. These are our imports for the other JSX file and our CSS. This is our return statement, making use of card.jsx. This line makes this file usable across the whole project. Now we get to our card.jsx file. JSX is a syntax extension of JavaScript, similar to HTML, but still needing a compiler to run. This is our card function, which is used back in our main file with the import and return statements. This return statement here makes up our card. This line makes this file accessible across the project. Now we get to our app.css file. It's a lot to ingest, so I'm going to walk through each section. This is our card class, which was created back in our card.jsx file alongside other classes. And fun fact, in JSX, classes are created not using the keyword class, but using the keyword class name. Now remember that. Here we call the card class in. Before I continue, all I'm walking you through leads us to the final product, this card profile right here. I define the thickness and color of the card's border here, which you can see as the blue highlight. I defined the border's radius here, which gave us these rounded edges. I created a shadow in this line, which you can see here, zoomed in. This is the padding, which creates space between the card's content and the border. This is the margin, which creates space around the border. This line here centers the text. This inline block here makes sure the card fits in well with other cards in the event of that. For the card image or profile picture, there isn't much to talk about. In the first line, I set a maximum width for the card. In the second, I set the card to automatically adjust its height based on changes made to it. And we have the margin bottom last. It all leads to the logo being displayed on the card here. For the last two elements, the title and description, there also isn't much to talk about, but you can see attributes I set for them, such as color, font, and margin. See the final result right here. Yeah, that's the video, guys. That was how we got to our final product here. I'm still learning in React and will continue to vlog this journey. I also recently learned ChefMeat is a taken name and I'll have to change it, but hey, at least I discovered it early. If you liked the video, leave a like, please subscribe, and check out my last video. Peace!